Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing great. Today I am going to talk about a small but an amazing fruit which is lemon, grown up here in our village, and I will just take you there. Friends, now I am here in front of the lemon plant grown up here in the middle of the tea garden of our village. It grew up here by itself naturally. Isn't that amazing? This plant provides us lots of lemons every year. We are so grateful to this, especially the garden workers and the villagers as well. Enjoy these lemons in the month of summer. Friends, we all know that lemon has lots of benefits in our life. It is a good source of vitamin C, which is good for boosting immunity in our health. It provides us instant energy whether you are walking at the office or in the sun. It is good for our skin. It adds extra flavor to the mouth. It helps in digestion and weight loss as well. Friends, even lemons are known as the magical ingredient in every kitchen. I have plucked few lemons from here. Friends, add lemons into your life. Stay fresh, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye. See you in my next video very soon.